Hello everybody and welcome back to this PowerPoint presentation on how to use it. Now we only have about 3 slides left, so this will be a short video, a short one than the last. So as I was continuing on, this is the slide that how to enter hours and overtime. So how to go to your hours and overtime, you go to the employee icon number 3. So here is the evidence how to go. You go to the circle or clock and icon number 3 and it says click here to enter hours and overtime EDC. And then if you pay your employees by the hour, then enter the hourly rate for the employee. Each period, enter the numbers of hours worked for that period within the relevant field. Standard hours, time and a third, time and a half, double time. The hourly rate will automatically be adjusted accordingly. So here are details. That's the hourly rate. This is the standard hours. This is the time and a half. This is the time. This is the time and a half. This is the double time. And you can enter on hours and the rates. And you can edit weekly basics and holiday pay. Then you can add more in addition and deduction, which I will explain in the next slide. I will then explain the addition and deduction. So now I'm going to finish this slide and then we'll move on to the next slide. Okay, here we go. This slide will now tell us how to add or edit additions to the employee. So when it comes to the additions in the employees details, you go to employees, add and amend employees, select the additions tab beside the revenue details, and then to insert allowable additions and amounts. Example of the allowable additions are commission and bonus. A non-allowable additions are vouched expenses or expenses. As you'll be watching in my Payroll Thesaurus, I always enter expenses in my non-taxable additions. So that's it. So if you need any additions there, they are the information right there. So next slide would then move on to the deductions and insert in the employees' pension. Go to the employees and amend employees, select the deductions beside additions to insert allowable deductions and amount, example VHI. A non-allowable deduction is example trade union and loan repayments. And as for the pension, here is a percentage. You can only reach the maximizing of 10%. If you go more than that, it won't let you go in. It'll warn you if you asked to be 10 or less. And once you have that in, then you can tick the box and select the pension type of the employee. It can be RBS, it can be PRSA or RAC. And that is the end of the entire presentation on how to use Payroll Thesaurus 2018. Now before I finish this video off, I just want to check my accessibility to all the slides. So how to do that? I just simply click check accessibility. Accessibility check is complete, so there's no errors. If you see any spelling errors, it will tell you to fix them. So the accessibility will be 100% accessible. The next slide, let's check the accessibility. Yes, very good. No errors so far. Accessibility for the second slide of the Payroll Thesaurus. Yep, no errors. Now in the next slide, the password slide. Yep, very good. Now into into the finish setting up company details slide. Check accessibility. Nothing so far, so everything else is excellent, no issues. Okay, check accessibility for this slide. Yeah, very good. This slide. Yeah, very good. The payroll preview slide. Excellent so far. That's very good. Update the file slide to the next week. Check accessibility. Very good. I don't see to have any problems whatsoever. No spelling errors, nothing, no issues. Slide number 11. Check accessibility. Yeah, excellent. Check accessibility once again. The last two slides with the additions and deductions slides. Yeah, the entire program is 100% accessible, 100% excellent, no problems or issues. So that is it. Just be careful if you really want to make this very accessible and you want to make sure there's no problems or issues going on. Always check your accessibility. Just go to the review tab and then click on check accessibility. So now I'm going to end this video and end this entire presentation. It has been a great pleasure for me to present this on PowerPoint, Payroll Thesaurus, how to use all certain features and tools in Payroll Thesaurus program. So thank you all for watching this very, very good. I will see you all very soon and good luck to all of you. Thank you all for listening to this entire presentation, PowerPoint. So see you all very soon. Thank you all very much. Adios.